Hello friends, now we are going to discuss our next rule of our whatever IUPAC nomenclature of organic compounds. Okay, so see here whatever our next rule, okay, that is rule number 4. So see here what is the rule number 4? If, say here, if an organic compound, okay, if an organic compound has more than one, what, if an organic compound contain more than one alkyl group, more than one alkyl groups, okay, then then their names we have to write, then their names you have to write in alphabetically alphabetical order. Okay, so that alphabetical order, okay, but when same alkyl group is present, for example two methyl groups are present, two ethyl groups are present, okay, so at that time we don't consider whatever prefix we are using, di, tri, we have to not consider that prefixes di, tri, we have to focus on ethyl, okay, for example alkyl, ethyl, methyl, that we have to focus. For example, ethyl will come first, thereafter what, methyl, whatever substituent will come, understood? First ethyl, then methyl will come. So whatever prefix we not, suppose this di and this is tri, okay, so we have to not focus on this whatever prefix, okay, we have to focus on whatever ethyl, methyl, okay, it is what our rule number, whatever our last rule, okay, if an organic compound has more than one alkyl groups, okay, then their names are written in alphabetical order, ethyl, methyl, propyl, as like this, okay. So see, we will discuss better here a few more examples, okay, so ready with these examples, so say we will write here examples, okay, so see here whatever they give examples here, CH3, okay, CH3, then CH2, CH, CH3, CH, C2H5, okay, then what, CH2, CH3, okay, so see here, they gave here one example beta. So what is our first work? We have to number this, okay, so numbering, and we have to what, number this, so see here, 1, okay, then what, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, okay, so see here, what is the IUPAC name for this? 3 ethyl, yes, 3 ethyl, then what beta, 4 methyl, okay, 3 ethyl, 4 methyl, what, hexane, okay, parent chain is what beta, your hexane, understood? So these are what beta here, name of your organic compound, understood? Like that, very much easy, we have to do numbering and we have to write IUPAC names, okay. So we will discuss more example also, so pay attention on that, more examples, okay. So see, ready with this, okay, see here, CH3, CH, CH2, CH3, okay, CH, CH2 and what beta, CH3, and here also what beta, CH3. So here for such compound we have to do numbering from where, okay, so from where we have to write number, see here, first you have to select what, longest chain, so see here 1, 2, 3, 4, yes, it is the longest chain, so see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and what, 6, longest chain you will get. Now after that what, we have to locate where is substituents are present, so see at the 3 position and the 4 position, so whatever prefixes name we have to give, okay, secondary prefixes we calling, 3,4 dimethyl. Okay, what will come beta? Hexane. Understood this name? Okay, so see here, and now we will discuss beta next also. So see here, be ready with next also. Okay, see beta here. Suppose CH3, CH double bond C, CH3, then CH double bond C, CH3, and what beta here CH3. So how we can name this? At first you have to pay attention where? First you have to pay attention numbering. First you have to select what? Longation, it is okay. Then you have to concentrate on numbering. Then you have to select whatever lowest sum rule it is applicable or not. Okay, so see here, beta, here we have to do numbering from which side? This side or this side? So see, these are continuous longest chain, carbon atom longest chain. But where we have to start numbering? So this side or this side? So see here, 1, 2. Suppose I will write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So whatever you substitute, you will get what? 2 comma 4. Yes, 2 plus 4 from this side. Suppose we will do from this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 plus 5 it will come. Are you understood? So among these 6 and 8, which one is lower? That we have to take. So therefore, what is the name of this organic compound? Very much easy. Such type of organic compounds. Okay. So see here, 2 comma 4, yes, 2 comma 4 dimethyl, okay. Next, how many carbon atoms? 6. So you have to write hex means 6 carbon atom hex. May add to whatever position of double bond also you have to mention. 2 and what beta 4. What is the starting from this 2 carbon atom and whatever double bond start from this second carbon atom, and here from 4 carbon atom, that position we have to write. 2 comma 4 dimethyl hex. Yes. Understood? 2 comma 4. What beta? 2 comma 4. Yes. Diene. Diene what? Because of 2 double bond. Diene. Understood? So like that, very much such type of easy examples for your organic nomenclature. Okay. So here beta, little bit you have to what? You have to pay attention. Then you will get what? Easy marks. Okay. So see here, whatever our next, we will move towards our next example. Okay. So see here, CH2 double bond C, CH2, CH2, CH3, and here also what beta? CH2, CH2, CH3. Okay. So these are what beta? Yes, these are what? Here one organic compound having a double bond. Okay, this compound containing what beta? Double bond. So see here, what we have to first mention. So some student they will what confused, little bit confused in such type of organic compound. Why? Whenever selecting a longest chain, longest continuous carbon chain, we have to select. So here some student they are thinking like this chain: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, but it is wrong. Why wrong? Because you have to first prefer double bond. Okay, then triple. Okay, so see here. So you have to now start numbering from this carbon 1, 2. Either you can do like this or here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because same are there. Okay, because here also 3, here also 3 are there. So you can directly here or from upside also you can do numbering because same number of carbon atoms are there. Okay, so see here. First prefix, so what substituent you will get? 2 propyl, yes or no? Propyl, C3H7, yes or no? C3H7, understood? Okay, so 2 propyl, then next one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atom, paint. What will come? Position of double bond. paint one in because of double bond. Means here we mention all, whatever a substituent, whatever length of carbon parent chain carbon. Okay, then position of double bond means everything you means what you are means you are giving IUPAC names means what you are providing information all information about that organic compound. Understood? So which double bond is present, single bond is present, then which functional group is it is present, nitro, bromo, fluoro, any. Okay, so we are simply what you are giving information about that organic compound, then automatically what will come? Automatically IUPAC nomenclature it will come. Okay, so like that, simple this what your carbon and its compound. Okay, in that organic chemistry. Okay, so beta, now we will discuss nomenclature of organic compounds having functional group. What beta? See, very much important point. Nomenclature of an organic compounds having what? Having functional group. Okay, having functional group. So we discuss functional group also with suffix, secondary suffix also we discuss. Okay, so we will see first here beta small a part. In that small a, okay, carboxylic acid. What we have to beta we are discussing here. First, carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. So here in carboxylic acid, you must know here beta basic things. Whatever general formula, yes, RCOOH, and R means, as you know, alkyl groups, ethyl, methyl, propyl. Okay, understood? So whenever we are drawing the structures and you have to what you want to write names of an organic compound. Okay, so see here how we can write here. Suppose if you will take here from starting from one carbon atom, we will start here. Okay, so see first HCOOH. Okay, HCOOH what? Beta, some are their common names also. Okay, these here what? Formic acid. From whatever their common names, it is from what? From their origin or from sources. Okay, formic acid is what? Common name. And whatever methanoic acid, methanoic acid is what? IUPAC name. Understood? Methanoic acid is what? IUPAC name. Okay, so suppose if you are thinking next, CH3COOH. CH3COOH, as you know beta, what? Acetic acid. Acetic acid is what? Common name. And whatever, because of these two carbon atoms, that's why it is what? Ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid is what beta? IUPAC name. Okay, means simply these are what? Alkane. Okay, so here minus C, this is replaced by what? OIC acid. Means what we call it as a what? We call it as a alkanoic acid. OIC acid. Understood? Okay, we will discuss more. Third, so see here third, CH3CH2COOH. So CH3CH2COOH what? Count carbon atom 1, 2, 3. Yes, it contains functional group also have a carbon atom. Therefore, you have to cover that carbon atom also. Therefore, here what? 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms. So 3 carbon atom what we call? Yes, beta, propanoic acid. But this propanoic acid is what here IUPAC name. Okay, IUPAC name. So keep in mind this. Okay, very much important this. Okay, so beta here, suppose we will write another also example here. So pay attention on that another example. Suppose I will write like this: CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, and what beta? COOH. So what will be the name of this acid? So first here we have to give what numbering, and it should be given from what functional group, because functional group is the principal functional group. We have to do numbering from this carbon atom. So 1, 2, yes or no, 3, and what beta 4. So what will be? So we have to give the name of that substituent also. So here name what will come beta? Yes, 2 methyl. Yes, 2 methyl what? Butanoic acid. Butanoic OIC acid. Okay, 2 methyl 1 2 3 4 4 carbon atom but to 2 methyl butanoic acid. Okay, so pay attention on this very much important part of our these carboxylic acids. So now we will move towards beta here esters part. What beta? Esters. Okay, so here in esters part, okay, esters part, you pay attention here. So this part also what very much important. Esters, all essence, all flavors, banana flavor, pineapple flavor, orange flavors, in medicines, in syrups. Okay, so these are what beta? Esters. All these flavors, all this fruity smell, it will came from where? These esters only. Okay, so see here beta, whatever is here esters, general formula here. So see, general formula, yes beta, general formula for your ester is what? RCOOR dash. This your R, whatever your alkyl groups are same or it may be different also. Okay, so see here, we will discuss now name of the compound. Okay, or we can write here organic compounds. What beta? Organic compounds. Or we can say what? That organic compound is what? Your ester only. Then here common name, and here what beta? IUPAC name, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Okay, so we can start now. Ready? Okay, so see here beta, how we can write for esters. Ready? So see here, suppose I will take here first ester HCOOCH3. So always keep in mind regarding esters, you have to give names from this right hand side. Okay, whatever alkyl group present in right hand side. So here, see, what it is common name. So common name for your first is, okay, common name for this, say methyl formate. What beta? Methyl formate. Formate means what? Is carbon atom. It is what beta? Common name. But whenever it's time to write IUPAC name, so see here beta, methyl, this one carbon atom. So what? Methyl methanoate. AT, as I told, AT is what? Secondary suffix for your this ester. Okay, so see here, whenever we are going to write second thing, okay, second, suppose beta I will write like this, CH3 COO CH3. So what will come here? Name. Common name first we will write. Methyl what? Acetate. Methyl acetate. Okay. AT. Here also AT. Secondary suffix. Here now whenever it's time to write IUPAC name. So methyl ethanoate because of these two carbon atom. Okay. So what will come here? Methyl what? Ethanoate. Methyl ethanoate ATE. Understood or not? Now see here. Third. Whatever third. Okay. So see here. Third I will write suppose CH3COO C2H5. So this C2H5 I can write CH2CH3 also. Yes or no? Understood? So beta here what will come here? Name ethyl acetate, and whatever IUPAC name is what? Ethyl ethanoate 80 secondary suffix. Or we can say what? Alkyl alkanoate is what? Ester. Keep in mind, very much important part. Okay. Understood? So see here, now we will discuss beta whatever aldehyde part. Ready? So see here beta, small c part, that is what? Aldehyde. And that aldehyde part also I gave whatever the secondary suffix for that. Okay, I already provided. See what? Aldehydes we can call alkanal. What? Alkanal. Al is what? Aldehyde, and having general formula RC double bond OH. Ethanol, methanol. Yes or no? Okay. So pay attention on this part. Very much what important. Okay. So see here in aldehydes alkanal part. Again we can what? Make that column. Your aldehyde. Okay, then what beta? IUPAC name, then what? Common name. Okay, so see here, suppose we can write here aldehyde. So first HCHO is what? IUPAC name is what beta? One carbon atom. So here what will come? Methanol. Al is what? Aldehyde. And what is a common name? Formaldehyde. What beta? Formaldehyde. Formalin, as you know, formalin. In medical store it is available, formalin. Second, suppose we will write here second. Second is what? CH3, say double bond OH. This what beta? IUPAC name because of these two carbon atom, ethanol. All is what? Aldehyde. And whatever a common name is what? Acetaldehyde. What beta? Acetaldehyde. Third. Okay, so see here beta. Third, suppose I will write one like this compound. So pay attention beta. Okay, so see here, CH3, CH2, CH3, and what? CH. Suppose I will write like this compound. So you have to give simply numbering. So your numbering start from where? This aldehyde, because it is here your principal functional group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, Yes or no? So directly we can write for such compound no common names are there. IUPAC name what will come? Yes beta 2-methyl. Yes 2-methyl what? 2-methyl butanol. Butan 2-methyl butanol. Al is what your secondary suffix. I hope you understood this. Okay. Your aldehyde part also very much simple and important. Now, whatever next small d, we will discuss beta ketones. What? Yes. What beta here? Ketones. So pay attention on that ketones also. Ketones. So ketones is what? Alkanones. We can write what? Alkanones. O-N-E. Different, more, two or more than that. That's why I write here is one alkanone. Okay. So see here beta general formula as like this ketone O R C double bond O R. Okay, you must know this. All whatever functional group we discuss, alkene, alkyne, all suffix, prefix, all alkyl groups, methyl, ethyl, isobutyl, secondary butyl, N-propyl, N-butyl. Okay, this all whatever with the formula you must know because it will help for your higher standard. Okay, so say we will discuss now this what beta whatever. Yes, ketonic part. Okay, so see here how we can write here. So again we have to write what? Ketone. Whatever your ketone. Then here what? IUPAC name. And here what beta? Common names. So see here. Whenever we have to write ketone, first suppose I will write here CH3 C double bond O CH3. So it is what IUPAC name. Total number of carbon atom you must know here 1, 2, 3. So what will come? We can write propanone or propanone. 3 carbon atom propan and your E is replaced by what? ONE. So propanone or we can with the position with the help of position also we can write 1, 2 and 3. So that's why what? 2 propanone. Understood or not? 2 propanone. Okay. So as whatever common name is what? Acetone. Understood? So beta we will discuss second also. Ready? With for second. So see here for second. CH3 C double bond O CH2 CH3. Okay, so what it is beta? You have to give here numbering for such type of ketone because the continuous carbon chain it will come. So 1, 2, 3, 4. IUPAC name what will come? We have to mention position of this ketonic group. So at which second? That's why what? 2-butanone. 2-butanone or simply butan 2-one we can write butan 2-one. Okay, so these are what beta regarding your yes ketonic part. Understood? So whatever our next part, okay, next more example we will discuss in our next lecture. Thank you very much. If you have any doubts, you can share on WhatsApp. Okay, I hope you understood this all. Thank you very much.